my wonderful kids, welcome back to our videos. Today I want to introduce you to a new superhero, and the name of this superhero is Prakriti Bandhu. Yes, you heard it right, it's a Prakriti Bandhu. And you know what? This is a friend of nature, has incredible natural powers and can control the elements and communicate with animals and protect our environment also. If you want to see this Prakriti Bandhu in action, solving problems and making everyone happy, don't forget to visit KidsNagri YouTube channel and you will love his adventure. So for now, we will say bye-bye to this Prakriti Bandhu and see him in the YouTube videos. Now, today we are going to learn how to make a beautiful ladybug. So are you all excited? Go grab your sketchbooks, notebooks, any blank paper, whatever you have, and start making a ladybug with me. Now the first step is that we are going to make a simple A kind of shape. Like this. Okay? And then going to make a C on it from both the side like this. And from the bottom I'm going to give a shape like this. So once this is done, now on the top I'm going to give a face shape, and you can even give eyes in the center and then the antenna part. Now here some feet like this. Isn't it very simple? See? And this way our ladybug is done. So here going to give round shape inside this. And once the ladybug is done, what you have to do, you have to make a leaf. So that to show like ladybug is sitting on a leaf. Like this, a big leaf covering ladybug. Go very slowly. Okay. So this way you can even make another kind of leaf also, or a simple leaf, whatever you want. Now it's time to add colors and do the outline. So for that I'm going to pick my black marker and start outline the sketch like this, covering all the lines with the black sketch pen. Now I start with adding colors in the ladybug. So first I will cover the body with the red. Very slowly, don't cover the circles. This way, going very slow. Leave the circles. I'm going to pick a brown color and color in this part. Very slowly, the last. Done. Now with the help of black, we are going to fill the circles this way and then face also. But before that, I'm going to make a simple white line like this, and then fill the color in this portion where ladybug eyes are visible. So here it's done. Now the next step is to color the leaf part, and for that first you have to color it with the light green shade, filling all the leaf with the same color. So I'm going to cover the whole leaf with the same light green color, going very slowly. So here I had filled the whole leaf with the light green color. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to make the veins of the leaves. So like this, very light lines with the dark green color. This way keeps on adding, and you have to cover the whole leaf like this only, going from down to top. Like this, very small, not the big one. So this way I had complete the whole leaf with the dark green shade. And now in the last, what I'm going to write, once your artwork is complete, then do mention that KidsNagri arts is the best. So here we will end this video and see you in the next video with some more beautiful designs and artwork. Till then, bye bye.